I said the only people I know for Cameroon are Eto, Stanley.
the rest now who?
I know now you more than
Yes, no.
I don't know the rest. But y'all need to change that, man. Put Cameroon on the map. Every artist in Cameroon should be worldwide because music is beautiful. So you guys support your own music. Very important.
Support ourselves.
Start at home first.
Start at home first.
I watch video where someone can't talk say, now only two people. You know the one and the other one. And then the person where they will stand for the man in front where the man they say, now only two people for Cameroon. He did it, laugh. Very stupid. I don't know when I put our front end and very stupid. You did it, you laugh. Because say some man can talk say for inside your country, only you one. And some other person, he sweet you. For you to stand for the tell them and say, no, bro. For inside here, we get talented people. We get talented artists them. Watch their videos. Check their YouTube. Their name na this. Their name na this. Their name na this. Not be only me one. You did it, you laugh. Open at 32 dirty teeth. You laugh. You laugh with it. You did laugh your stupidity. You dull. You over dull. That was the right time for you to tell that man that no, in this country, we have this, we have A, we have B, we have C. It's not only me and the other person. So if they sweet you, say they know you want. Now God don't come to say now only you know. If they sweet you, they laugh. So other one to be there, we gonna laugh. And then at the same person, after I don't see her, when I don't open at 32 teeth, the laugh. Now you see advice una. Say more na learn for push una self. Una no shame. Even at me, that the person will be hold that camera, the video. I go shame, I offer. I don't know how the video to go outside. Shame you suppose don't do una. Delete that video. Person come for your country to say no, now only you and some other man. Una the laugh. He sweet you. How stupid. Me, I go for other country. Then when I go for other country, before I want enter the country, I did make sure say I know who be the artist in that country. I don't go Gabon, Congo, Equatorial Guinea, most African countries, plenty. I did make sure say I know who be the artist in that country because that thing must ever come for maybe any interview. It's a trap. Now trap for artists them. When you enter the country, I say who be the other artist the way you know them. When you talk say you don't know, you are in problem. You know can't again. So I always make sure say as I travel, man learn, man know who them be the artists today. That one come, they ask you say who you know, maybe I don't know whether they make they ask you the question intentionally so that you go use to prove yourself. Say yes, and me. He say no, not only you and some other person you open your 32 teeth the laugh. He sweet you. You're laughing at your stupidity. You're dull. You don't get sense. And then after you don't finish laugh, now the same man for the same video, that very time, still tell una say, more na learn for support now. Because earlier as you laugh, so you don't really know say, una no love una self. Same way, when my brother say, if he be part of una jump onto your head, the person where they come to race and say, una no love una self. Now when I the one car with pen and paper, more na she done for teach now how they love. Una no dull, una no say that's what I don't feel. Una don't fail. Una don't fail. Now I'm doing a concert to make my people smile even for 1 minute. Una hook up the compare them. Una normal. Can't you any person go hook up your talk. Any person go hook up caution. Say the only two will be good now. The only thing will be good for Cameroon. The only thing Cameroon is good at is their pepper. Now only pepper will sabi do. Can't you a person go hook up talk her president so with the glad say Whiskey come for a palace. Now president get with the glad. Because they don't see and say una no love una self. They don't see and say una dey wayward. Wayward. Una dey wayward. No, una want compare. Una want she don't say una go stand them Sunday. You can never no una dream, no think am. Una no fit. Una no one and no fit. You know why? Because play where they did. They don't push themselves up. They don't keep themselves up. Whether you wacko, you know wacko, you dey. You You are making money. You are developing your country. The money where you make them, you develop your country. You build health center. You build hospitals. You build roads. You contribute for maybe some social, community kind of work that you contribute as an artist. Because of the money where the people that were inside your country they give you. But for you, no fit. You need to carry and give them. You don't agree so no sabi sing, no problem. Una begin give you a small, no problem. You no sabi sing. More begin tell with that small, they tell us small they go. But the one thing way I no go accept them. Una feel make joke about anything. Una feel joke about anything I want joke with them for the life. May no man no joke about what you happen for Kumba. If you want compare yourself with your failure. Compare yourself with your friend the way they don't make up for life. You there on Facebook, we are 100 data every day. The toxic, I don't know, negativity. Compare yourself with them. But no compare anything we get for do Kumba.